So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to edit font color on FreeForm. So the first thing you want to do is to open up FreeForm. Once you've done that, you will see a layout of something like this, the categories of your boards, or you can just see your boards that you've been working on right away. So from here you can see a board that I've been messing around in, and you can see some of the things that I've added on here. So from here you can see stuff for text. So if I just zoom in and go to text and I drag it around a bit, so I can actually set up font color and I can set up some other stuff as well. So on here you can see you can edit text and you can also click the lower and uppercase letter A's. So let's do that. So from here you can see text format, you can see default font, you can see a lot of other fonts that you can use as well. So from here you can see color underneath. So right now it's in black, but you can change it to gray as well as white, then turquoise, green, and stuff like that. So if you wish to find some other color that maybe it's not on this spectrum, you can click on more text colors and you can see a lot of the stuff that's going on right here. So on here you can add some different colors, something like this. You can even see how bright or dark they are. So they really give you a lot of options on how your text is going to appear. So that's going to be through here, and once you change it to something like this, you can do it again through this button, then going on here, and it's going to change. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Freeform or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.